Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your overheated iPhone since you started to update it to iOS 17, okay? So the first thing I want you to know that since the update of iOS 17, a lot of users has been experiencing overheating, especially iPhone 11 and below. So first things first, I suggest is try for an upgrade. I'm not saying that it won't work, but an upgrade for iPhone 11 and above might work and might avoid this problem anymore because XR and XS can't really handle the update anymore. Okay? So secondly, avoid charging while using your phone. That's basically a normal way to avoid, right? So third is going to be avoid humid areas. For example, using this under the sun or using this on the street at high noon. Please avoid using that. And just wait for new updates. For example, go to settings right there, hit on General tab, and click on Software Update. So we just need to wait for Apple to send new updates to fix this problem. And technically, I already updated mine to iOS 17.0.03, and I've lessened the heating or overheating of my iPhone since then. So next thing or lastly is optimize storage. So just remove any unnecessary images, files on your phone, and just back them up to your iCloud so that you can delete them directly on your iPhone. So those are the things that I suggest you do to avoid the overheating of your iPhone, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.